Hi guys, it's Kimberly. I am going to show you some tricks. So with the super humid weather, I don't know about you, but my hair kind of loses its shape and gets really frizzy. So a nice refresh that I really like to do is to use something like a really lightweight foam to kind of re-round brush into my hair to just give it some sleekness and some style. And then I will go through and just take a little bit of a flat iron and just kind of touch my ends and my bangs. And if I really need to, just to get a little bit more kind of revitalization, I'll use a dry shampoo and just let it sit and kind of work it through. So I'm just gonna show you guys some really quick tips to just kind of refresh your hair for when it's so humid out like it is today. So I'm just gonna use a pretty small amount. I have pretty fine hair. So if you have hair that is a little bit thicker or a little bit denser, I would probably use a full pump. For me, typically half a pump works really good. I'll go ahead and like work it through my hands so you just don't get too much in one spot. The places that I kind of struggle, as you can see, are like through here. So I'm gonna go in like this, take it, just work it in a little bit. I am somebody who is very less is more, and I'm gonna just take my glasses off so I can round brush this in real quick. I use like a medium heat and a medium air speed. And all I'm gonna do is just kind of round brush this down. If this is too hard for you, this takes a little practice. What you can do is just wrap it and hold it. I typically just take about 10 seconds, let it cool down a little bit, and then let it down. And you can see I get a lot more smoothness through this. And then my thing is I like to kind of come in through the root, through this back area, and just give it a little kind of refresh. The biggest thing is to work with your cuticle going downward so that you smooth your cuticle down versus taking it and working it upward, because what'll happen is you'll end up getting your cuticle will like kind of bounce up. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I got a lot more pretty smooth this out, and then I'm just gonna take my flat iron. I have it's set to about 310, and I'm just gonna brush my ends in real quick and go through here real quick just to kind of get it to like lay pretty. And then what I'm gonna do is just go in through my bang area and just do a quick reset. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna check to see if there's anything that's kind of bouncing up a little bit. Looks pretty good because I wanna make sure I get the most out of the style because I have a few more hours of work. And I'll just give this a quick shake. I typically like to burst this, and I will lift up where I need and kind of just like puff it out a little bit. Smells really good. In my area, I'm just gonna go right here. And then we are good to go. It's a big difference in the smoothness and how it's laying. All right, hope you guys are fun. Thanks.